is Mike Bosick with www.217dent.com. What we're going to do today is we're going to take a dent out of this 2013 Ford Escape, and we're going to use a screwdriver. So all you do-it-yourself individuals that want to attempt to remove dents at home by yourselves and not call a professional, I want to warn you that if you attempt this, that it will hurt your vehicle. You will do more damage than good. But I'm going to show you the proper way to do it if you are a do-it-yourself guy and wish to do it yourself and are persistent enough to do it yourself. Good luck. Make sure you record the process when you do it and post it on YouTube, and follow up with the link and hit subscribe. We're ready, folks. Here it is. Here is, alright guys, here is your 2013 Ford Escape. There is a dent right there in the driver's door. Here is my factory access plug, and here are the screwdrivers that I am going to use. I'm going to go ahead and brace the door. There's a dent. There's the screwdrivers that I am going to use. Your typical Menards, about $1.29. Ace Hardware, Menards, your cheap screwdrivers just from Dollar General. There's a dent. Let me get everything in place, and we'll go from there. All right, we got everything. We have everything set up now. Here is the factory access plug that we're going to remove with our tiny screwdriver. Sure. Just pops right out of there. Here's your plug. And here is the dent tool that I'm going to use, which is just a regular flathead screwdriver. See that? Just like that. That dent's going. It just popped right out. So there you have it, folks. Got that dent taken care of. And again, this is Mike Bosick. If you attempt to do this at home, you will damage your vehicle. You will crack the paint, and you will cause irreparable damage to your vehicle. So I strongly suggest you getting a hold of a professional dent technician. However, if you want to attempt it yourself, go to your local hardware store and get yourself some screwdrivers. Thanks for tuning in, and go ahead and subscribe. Here again is the after of the video, and make sure you put your plug in there. Don't forget to put that plug back in, because you never know what kind of critters like snakes or spiders or water moccasins, and you know, mice will get in there, and sometimes you'll get a lion or a bear or a tiger, you know, kind of like the Wizard of Oz thing. Make sure you put that plug in there, because you don't want to have a bear come through that door panel while you're driving. Alright guys, we got a huge project coming soon. A lot of you, my subscribers, haven't seen me post any videos in the past 6 weeks, but I got news for you that there are a lot of videos there. You just they're not released yet. So check this out, stay tuned, watch what we launch next.